I myself L. Chandrasekhar from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. My topic is conversion of octal number to binary number. Introduction. The octal numerical system or oct for short is the base 8 number system and uses the digits 0 to 7. That is to say 10 represents 8 in decimal and 100 represents 64 in decimal. However, English uses a base 10 number language system. Hence, a true octal system might use different language to avoid confusion with the decimal system. Binary number. A binary number is a number expressed in the base 2 numeral system or binary numeral system, a method of mathematical expression which uses only two symbols, typically 0 and 1. The base 2 numeral system is a positional notation with a radix of 2. Each digit is referred to as a bit or binary digit. Because of its straightforward implementation in digital electronic circuitry using logic gates, the binary system is used by almost all modern computers and computer based devices as a preferred system of use over various other human techniques of communication because of the simplicity of the language. Code conversion of octal to binary. There are various direct or indirect methods to convert a octal number into binary number. In an indirect method, you need to convert an octal number into other number system, example decimal or hexadecimal. Then you can convert into binary number by converting each digit into binary number from hexadecimal system. Example, convert octal number 205 into binary number. First convert it into decimal equal to 205 base 8 equal to 2 into 8 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 8 to the power of 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power of 0 base of 8 or 010 101 base 2 because base of octal are 8 respectively equal to 010 base 2. Then convert it into binary number by converting each digit equal to 1 into 2 to the power of 7 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 6 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 0 base 2 or 1000 with base 2. However, there is a simple direct method to convert an octal number to binary number since there are only 8 symbols, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in octal representation system and its base there are 8 is equivalent of 23 equal to 8. So you can represent each digit of octal in group of 3 bits in binary number. This is the octal symbol equal to binary equivalent table. 0 is 000, 1 is 001, 2 is 010 and 3 is 011, 4 is 100, 5 is 101 and 6 is 110 and 7 is 111. This method is simple and also works as reverse of binary to octal conversion. The algorithm is explained as following below. Take octal number as input, convert each digit of octal into binary, that will be output of binary number. Thank you.